excited for this trip, yo!
Dude, tell me about it. As soon as Santino and Susan get here,
hurry
it's
up!
gonna be popping! Let's get this shit, dude! Let's go!
What's up, Ma?
I'm about to get the cheeks.
You can't wait.
Let's go. Spring break, dude. Yo, the social media, the fucking caribou, yo. I'm caribou. Let's go.
Are you ready? Chill, man, damn! What the fuck? We can't go anymore.
What the fuck happened?
We can't take the car. Why not? My mom has to take my sister to the hospital. Talking about she can't breathe or something.
Dude, that's just bullshit. We've been planning this for 6
If only you can find somebody with a car.
Dude, the biggest thing to worry about right now, yo.
Guys!
I have a car.
Got what?
Susan, why did you say something before?
Susan.
Go get it. We back on, boys.
Let's go!
Hey, yo, Susan, hand me the Aux Cord, yo.
Yo, let's get it jumping.
Let's go.
The what?
Your Aux. Let me see your Aux.
I don't have an aux. You know, actually, it's cool. I actually keep my my own aux cord on me at all times. So,
So what's going on with them slaps? Let's get this thing jumping.
no, guys. I don't think you understand. I don't even have like the input or anything. Like, I barely listen to music when I'm driving.
No input?
No. Yeah, I like turn on the radio if anything.
The radio?
The radio.
Dude, 93% of the trip is the aux cord. What the fuck are we supposed to do now?
Guys, I have CDs.
Get that bullshit out of here. No aux cord but CDs? You say some dumb shit like that again, I'm gonna break your Mike and Ike looking ass in half.
Okay, all right. Santino, calm down. Everybody just relax. All right, I'm frustrated. You're frustrated. Everybody just calm down. Susan, just stop playing around. Let Dan plug in his aux cord, and we can get going.
Guys, I wasn't kidding. I really don't have the input.
I'll kill you! I'll kill you! What do you want for?
What is wrong with you guys? God, we've been planning this trip for months. Is an aux cord really worth our friendship? If it is, you guys can just honestly get... Well, at least I still have you.